Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this Motorola. First of all, you need to open the Recorder app. Then select Got It in the pop-up and tap on while using the app. Then Allow. Finally, click on this gear icon at the top right corner and adjust all of those recording settings, like quality. Save your changes by tapping on OK. When you finished, go back and tap on this red button to start your recording. Then click on Yes in the pop-up. Tap on Recorder at the bottom and click on this switcher to allow Do Not Disturb. Then select Allow. Click on the back button. And finally, select the red one. As you can see, after that, recording is finally on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, tap on the same red button. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the square one on the right. Then title your recording however you wish to. And in order to delete it right away, choose Delete at the bottom left corner. If you wish to save it instead, tap on Save at the bottom right one. Now, to play your recording, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it. Tap on this bin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!